Yo, what is good? Welcome to Bootcamp Day 6. Today I'm going to show you the profitable content system. Okay, without this, you cannot make money. And most coaches post randomly and they wonder why isn't anyone buying. Don't worry, because I'll show you what and how to post content that actually converts a viewer into a paying client. Most don't stay consistent with their niche. That's why they lose. That's why they cannot convert a viewer into a buying customer, because these people have a niche. Okay, let's say they have their niche, whether it's trading. Let's say if it's trading, that's their niche. They want to sell trading courses and mentorships, right? On day one, they post a trading recap. Okay, maybe the second day they teach them their strategy. But on the third day, they post about e-commerce, and then they post about fitness, and then they post about dogs, and then they post entertainment. You have to understand, it doesn't work like that. If you want to sell something, you have to go all in one niche. Therefore, you have to stay consistent with your niche, because if I show you the content system that prints money, but you're not posting consistently with your niche, then it doesn't work. Okay, first of all, step number one, stay consistent with your niche. You still can post different formats of videos. I'll get into that more in depth soon, but you have to stay consistent with the niche. Okay, you can post vlogs, you can post entertainment within that niche, you can post educational, you can post bottom of funnel videos. Why do you have to stay consistent? Because obviously it strengthens your positioning, right? It makes you an authority. It makes you it literally, like, remember on the day one, or was it day two, I told you that you have to position yourself right. Okay, you are the trading guy, you are the e-com guy, you are the guy people go to for advice, to learn how to run ads to get the most money on e-com. Okay, you get the point. And people come to you for the niche. That's literally that I just mentioned. Okay, and they will buy because they see you as the solution. Remember, they will only buy because they see you as a solution. If you're all over the place, they just see you as a guy who just posts everything, who doesn't know what he's doing. Now, here are the 3 content formats you must include in your personal brand. Otherwise, again, you won't make money. Okay, this is a brutal industry. You have to literally do all of it. So TOF is the first one, top of funnel videos. MOF is the second one, middle funnel videos, right? And then there's the BOF, bottom of funnel videos or content. Okay, TOF, you've probably seen these. These get the most views, let's be honest. These are like vlogs, tier lists, etc. Some very broad way to post content. It's a broad format, okay? It's the key is to literally just push the video out there, okay? And then there's the middle funnel videos. This is like how-to videos, teaching you exactly step by step how to do something. This is a middle funnel video right here. So it's essentially education. This is very important, right? And then there's the bottom of funnel videos. This is like own results, student results, proof, etc. Let's start with the top of funnel videos. Why do you have to post TOF? Because remember, these are like vlogs, tier lists, etc. The broader way to post videos. The benefits, obviously, new traffic. You need eyeballs. You need some people in the funnel. Remember in the previous episode, I explained you about the funnel. I taught you about the funnel, right? Therefore, you need some new traffic to get in the funnel. You need to push the people in the funnel, and then they go down, 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 down. Eventually, they will buy. Okay, and then builds curiosity. Listen, man, I just posted this video recently on this new channel, right? I was in Dubai, and you can go check it after this video. But obviously, this builds some curiosity. Oh, this is a guy who just made 20K, and he flew to Dubai. What is he doing to make that money? What does he do? Okay, that builds curiosity, and obviously, personality is shown, right? In the vlogs, perhaps in the personal story videos, you're more human. Okay, you're more human, right? That's the fourth thing. You're more human in the videos. The personality is shown. People start to feel connected. And it's very important they see you as a human that they can relate to, instead of just some robot who just teaches some things, right? And naturally, if you post vlogs, this and that, this has the highest chance of going viral, getting a lot of views, okay? And then it gains new traffic, new eyeballs that will go in the funnel. And within the funnel, once you start posting middle funnel videos, bottom funnel videos, the people who are not interested, they can just leave the funnel, etc., etc., or stay watching these top of funnel videos. But the people who are actually interested, they eventually go down, and then they buy from you, Okay, let's move to middle funnel videos. This is crucial. You're right now watching a middle funnel video. So these are like how-to videos, education. The reason why you have to post this, especially if you want to start selling coaching, because it shows your expertise and proof, right? When I teach you something, you start to understand that, okay, this guy knows what he's doing. He's been in this game for some time because he knows exactly what works and what doesn't, and what prints the money and what doesn't print the money, and what you have to be focusing on, and what you have to not be focusing on. Okay, you get the point. When I used to be teaching people how to trade, I did the same thing. I had middle funnel videos, top of funnel videos, and bottom funnel videos. I did it consistently, and middle funnel videos is the one that the audience became the most invested, and it turns the casual viewer into a warm lead. Remember, what is a lead? It's a potential customer, right? First, when they enter your funnel, right, they watch a video, they're cold, right? They're very cold. But when you post a middle funnel video, they're gonna get warm, and they're gonna go down to the funnel, down in the funnel, boom, become more warm, aka almost ready to buy. And then there's the bottom funnel videos. This is also crucial. You have to have this. You have to post your own results, student results, and the benefits, very good. It converts the warm audience into buyers. Okay, this is when you post a bottom funnel video, you can just immediately link your coaching application, in the description, and they can just apply and book a free call and then buy. Simple as that, because this literally converts. And then direct offers, CTAs, testimonials. This is what you're gonna be posting there. You're gonna be making sure that you really focus on the CTAs in these videos, and you can listen. You shouldn't post too many bottom funnel videos per month, but they should be there as well. They should be there. You should post them, and obviously, lower reach. Right? This is like the opposite of top of funnel videos, but the highest ROI. You'll make the most money with this. Okay, but you gotta be smart with this. If you're just starting out and you're just posting some student testimonials and you don't even have a baseline audience, then I don't know if it's too smart. But if you're just starting out, you should obviously post your own results, your own proof, right? Okay, but here's the biggest problem. That most people have with this. You are either probably posting mostly top of funnel videos. You're trying to grow your following because your favorite YouTube guru told you that you have to get a lot of followers. You have to do this to get a lot of followers. Don't get me wrong, top of funnel is good, especially if you're posting within niche. But if you're skipping the MOF, people, they will find you, but they will never trust you enough to buy from you. Okay? They just find you funny. You're entertainment to them. But if you don't have any MOF, they don't know what the heck are you doing. They don't know, like, can you actually do something, provide some value? They just see you as a guy who is entertaining. Okay? But you're posting every single day, but nobody knows what you actually sell. That's the thing as well. Your content builds views, but not buyers. So therefore, you have to always take advantage of all of these. TOF, MOF, BOF, post them regularly, okay? And you need balance. Post all three, top of funnel, middle funnel, BOF, like I just said, strategically and consistently, okay? But obviously, I think BOF is the one you should be posting the least, but because it has the CTAs, it's where you actually convert it, okay? It's where you actually convert the viewer into a buying customer, but you should post your own results as well. Here's also a problem. Some people may not have any results in a field that they would want to teach. What then should they do? Okay, they don't have any results. What should they then post? This is the biggest excuse, bro. They are not posting content because they think that they don't have any results yet, okay? They don't have the six-pack yet. They want to teach, but they don't have the six-pack yet. The fix is simple. Stop teaching and start documenting your journey, and later you teach. And in fact, this is actually very optimal, because think about it. If you click on a guy's YouTube channel, and right now he's teaching, he's making a lot of money, but back in the days he was documenting his journey. Like, for example, a trader becoming profitable. He's now teaching people how to trade, but back in the days he used to be documenting his journey, going from unprofitable to profitable, or passing my first fund account, or building my e-com store. You get the point. So that also brings trust. Before that next step, the very important step, if you want to skip the headache trying to figure out everything on your own and waste years, then apply to see if you get accepted for the coaching. Let's move on to the hidden VSL YouTube video. This is so powerful and almost nobody knows about this. I found this a year ago and I tried it a year ago for the first time ever. Back then I was still teaching people how to trade. I was selling high ticket mentorships and I tried it. It worked so well. It literally, this is the thing that allows you to get people to book a call or buy from you on autopilot. Okay, on autopilot. And the thing, it works like this. I talked about this in the previous episode, but just to kind of summon this up, you need to create a 20 to 60 minute long form video that converts on autopilot, meaning that you teach them valuable stuff. It's essentially like a course. First of all, you teach them a lot of value. Okay, the title is just a normal video like how to do this, how to do this, how to get X in 90 days or something like that. And then within the video, you teach them, bring a lot of value. And then you start mentioning your student results, or your own results. And then you start promoting slowly but surely your program that has minimum spots left. And if they actually want to take it serious, then book a call or buy this course or see if you get accepted. Okay. But the thing is, here's the most important part. Okay. Here's the most important part. You start promoting that video in every single video you post after that. Okay. Mainly top of funnel and middle funnel videos. The reason why not bottom of funnel is because bottom funnel is a video that converts the people into buying customers itself. So then you don't need to push them here. But vlogs especially, if you're just posting top of funnel videos, you're not showing your expertise much in here, then you can just say, hey, I just posted, if you're interested, then I actually posted a complete guide for free, or a 60-minute course for free. First link in the description, go check it out. And then it takes them to the hidden VSL video where they will actually be converted into buying customers. Okay, because this is actual value. Like this video is actual value, but it's also like it's also a VSL, a video sales letter essentially. Okay, and also how-to videos, middle funnel videos. You're also gonna push these people to here if they want some extra education. But obviously, people could also book a free call just from these videos alone. Okay, so you can also add the link in these and just push them here. But obviously, don't try to sell on top of funnel videos. You should try to push them to the free content instead, because that brings trust. Usually the people who watch your top of funnel, they're just cold, super cold audience. They don't even know what you're doing. So obviously you should push them to the free content instead of trying to sell them immediately or trying to make them book a call. But you get the point. Push the hidden VSL video. This is the legitimate method. Okay, trust me. And post consistently on all platforms. Okay, mainly YouTube long form and IG. And recently I have started to post on X some more. So if you want to follow me on X, Adriel Cash, I'm posting a lot of value there now. Adriel Cash, at Adriel Cash, go check me out. Okay, follow me. But yeah, man, if you still want to get coaching from me, then apply down below. But yeah, man, it's actually been a journey. I'm proud of you if you're watching this video right now, because it means you have gone so far. Tomorrow I'll see you in the last episode. Peace out.